We are not because
The way you go just laugh.
toy gun. This the guys they were
Today we're going to talk about the toy gun that you people have been showcasing around,
today we are just going to talk about the trending toy gun. Yeah. Unfortunately, we don't have some here, so we are sorry. Like we are just going to show you how it works. We got no toy guns, like we forgot. Like, I think,
My only day the road topic they come.
okay, I ordered my uh why you despise me
Yeah,
so?
so anyways,
I ordered mine was $22. Yeah, so mine is in a box. Mine's not like you guys. You want that it's in a rubber. Yeah, it's in a box. Like it's the same thing as you guys you want, but mine is quite nicer. Yo, so when it comes, I'll show it to you guys. Don't worry.
yeah, you there, let's watch this video. Let's watch another one.
Where the fuck is the money, bro?
Cool down, bro.
Where the fuck is the money, bro?
Cool down, bro. If my mom no, give me
Don't play with me. Man, shit, something wrong.
Oh, cool down, bro. Ah, bro, stop, bro.
Okay, so and watch this one. You see, just imagine you are the policeman. Like me, at this point, I won't smile, I won't laugh. I'll be annoyed. But it's like
This thing,
the guys they were many, so you have to keep composure. Yeah.
no, this one, Charlie,
If
this one.
if you shoot, then it like the gun is closer to you. You feel a pain, like you feel something hitting you.
So
So you just imagine they were shooting the policeman's.
I go slap somebody in sun.
That's the reason why if they shoot, you see most of the people do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, but
No, this one, you be serious. How you go fit do this to policeman? If you be me, hey, the way you go just laugh, you go chop But this thing is this gun thing, for me, it's getting out of hand. People are doing a lot of. It's too much for me. It's too much.
yeah, you see the thing started in Kumasi. They were the first people that. No, the thing was there's a YouTuber, that stupid, like he's very very annoying. That fair guy with some great.
The one way nah, I go
I go
pew
do pew,
pew.
pew.
I go pew pew.
He's a foolish boy.
America is great, man. America.
It'd be like I saw some video. They were like, oh, where he wasn't America. Then they circled one building. Yeah, maybe something like South Africa or something like that. It's over there.
Hey,
Then
then
telling,
you do your wow.
oh, they circled. They were explaining. Oh, they were like, oh, this building, this.
Then the
Oh,
boy
but
do
that
your
yeah, we know say you get money though, but make you not come talk say America be this and if I
Nah,
get
Ghana is shit.
that would be easy.
You be Ghanaian.
Yeah,
You be Ghanaian.
yeah. But something be like the guy be annoying. Like I don't know. He be like he dey get on my nerves. Be if I catch him, man.
My sister was like, that foolish boy. In English, I'm not a B. Yeah, foolish English they speak for them.
I
So
get
my
my
sister talk.
Balenciaga, my track. See my track.
The guy. Sorry to say, but the guy there, no.
Oh,
This
no.
guy there.
Yeah,
I'm not sure
you
say
see,
the guy.
because he used that PPO thing, no? So
He
we
has made
the
a trend.
we Ghanaians, we are not correct. Now and then, you know, we are not because toy gun. This toy gun was there like there long time. Why didn't we trend it? Even last year or something like that. If you see someone holding that toy gun, you'll be like, hey,
With a childish play to this.
why this toy gun?
And now,
Even now because the pure took.
yeah. If
More
I get the
pew
pew
pew.
pew,
Oh, but yeah, the pew pew there, that one is the bill.
yeah,
But yeah,
they're having fun and all. It's nice,
it's
but
nice. Oh, but
it's getting out of hand. Markets then go take the
go
gun,
take
go
the
there,
oh
then
be like the video they bill. Either like the video be nice though.
it be funny, yeah.
But that G, the pew pew G,
Why
he
they vex you? Eh?
they vex.
Me, it's not about the pew pew geo. It's about the gun outside to the markets. You are causing. Sometimes it causes panic.
You see, we are in Ghana. Yeah, certain things you have to just flow with the vibe. That's what's trending right now. So
Yeah.
yeah,
It's fun and all, like having fun and all. It's about the youth having fun. But Charlie,
it be like I hear some meme. It be like, if your boyfriend doesn't get the gun or something like that, red flag or something. Yeah, true. If you don't get one of the toy guns, you are a John boy. Yeah, that's what is trending right now. You have to flow with us
I see some video between the girls too come.
with some baby.
Yeah,
that
yeah. I go
toy-
show. Make I show you the video.
Yeah, watch this.
Boys na munto bro ni ba ni mamo gen. Monye guys ma ti ase. Munto bi mamo. Munto bi mamo. So ma ti ya. Ukula tuo ye ukula bro ni ba. So ma ti ase.
You should buy your girlfriends a doll. Then. Charlie, you two,
Charlie,
you girls too.
let me tell you girls one thing. You know, every Christmas, you girls, you get something to say. As in, you be like, "Oh, babe, Christmas is coming. Why won't you get me something?" Yeah, you know that one you did. Every Christmas, we are ready to get you guys something. Huh? You to get us something. This
Oh.
Christmas,
Boy,
the boys, Charlie, make you not mind any girl. Make them get you something. If they don't get you anything, Monday on most of that baby. Yeah, make you not mind them. Every Christmas, babe, I want this, I want this. Who make we ask? I say, girls, oh, make you not do that. Make you not do that. That's why. Now I won't continue.
the place where they vex me for the video inside there, it be nah, the boyfriend should get them dolls. Why you no go fit buy doll? I mean 10 cedis yourself. Then
The gun.
make them no the doll,
No,
the
like
doll.
listen, the gun. We are buying it on our own. Like,
Uh-huh.
yeah, we are buying it. So please, I dey beg you, the door to. If you want to trend
If you
down,
want to do trend, go buy your doll.
go and buy your door.
Go buy a doll now. Your boyfriends
Yeah.
now. The boyfriends get us dolls. Yeah, then you are showing the
What
dolls.
on your boyfriends? Do something for yourself.
Go job. Charlie, no, this one there it be too much. Why? Door.
Yeah, Charlie. So you know,
So your girl.
my easy.
So your girl.
Oh, you see
So
my
talking say buy am door.
oh nah,
Door.
nah.
Nah.
Like
This
sometimes, sometimes I'll just be there, and she'll be like, "Have I eaten?" I'll be like, "Oh nah." Then she'll ask, say, "What will I eat?" Then I'll be like, "Oh, anything. I'm cool." Within 5 minutes, then
Then
the car.
car order. Oh,
order. Yeah.
nice.
You see, that be babe.
No more there. Nah, buy house dolls. Charlie, I talk. I go vex sake of Charlie. This one there. Yeah, let's get back to the pew thing I was saying. No,
Mhm.
this toy gun.
Yeah. I don't know what.
If you want to play with this toy gun, it should be around your home, around your friends. Don't send it to the marketplaces. What if you see a pregnant woman? Then go do pew. Charlie,
Oh, me. Listen.
like
You dey try talk say, oh, make you not take the gun go town. But me,
you can if you take go town.
Okay. But me, the gun go town. Go do your pew. Say you ne obi so many. Oh, bro. Next time you not go do that again. So just enjoy. If you know overdo am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't overdo it.
Don't overdo.
The trend is nice, so but Charlie, we are entering December. Somebody go fit take real gun, then bah!
But the thing started with this water gun.
Yeah,
I
that
saw a
video
video.
below.
Yeah, they'll be in
Yeah,
their car. They'll just
yeah.
get to you, then you just shoot like. Then the Kumasi boys took it to a different level. That you see, it's Christmas. They will sell guns, those toy guns. So you just let's try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't take care, someone will bring in a real gun. Then over time there, bah, somebody is dead. So go for it, toy gun. And what the person will say is, I didn't know. I don't know say it be real gun. I make sorry. I figure it be toy gun. Sa na mo de kunimpa be
Oha.
ha.
Yeah.
So yeah, we should be very careful about this toy gun thing that is trending. Me, I'll get one though, but I go use them for my house. I go dey spy the sky inside them, Charlie. Popo. Me, I will call your house and then popo. You see, you go me then you go fit take play. Yeah, if you want to play with it, play with your friends, not market two men. Then some video be to see them go filling station.
Mm-hmm.
The store no.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Where the man walk inside, just pop.
Papa, where you run?
You feel like it's funny, but
It's too much.
Do that for someone who they fear things like you could get heart attack. And
Yeah. Then why just like that?
That
Sake of trend.
Yeah. But if you do make you do one plus your paddies. Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Do it to your ladies.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're a girl and you want to try to do it with a guy, that's where you see that your own going.
Yeah, so
put the kind of head there to pop.
So let's read some tweets, okay?
Yeah.
Someone said, if it be Accra boys we then start this trend, like nobody go talk anything. But as it be Kumasi niggas, they see the plenty chat.
You see.
He be try talk see.
Now be Kumasi boys there. Then be easy. Then be some way be. Yeah. Yeah.
Try you people cause chaos.
Mo dear sa why yeah you need say one yeah Accra boys and yeah we go know what we go see. Yeah. More Kumasi boys in there. Mo dear Kumasi American
PZ or Cyclo. Yeah, so another tweet says, why do some people have problem with the Kumasi toy gun shooting thing? The way this country they stress person or people they find new ways of having fun too. For problem, it be problem.
Yeah.
The thing it be fun, but
making no.
Yeah, you people should be careful. Like about, I saw some tweets to be of this guy. What's his name? Big Paradise. I mean, no, Big Paradise. You know Big Paradise. Be like he be hype man, he be hype artist and things. He posted.
Hey, we are going to put the video there. Big what?
Big Paradise.
Big Paradise.
I'm sure they know him. I wonder why he don't know himself. So same thing. Yeah, same thing happened in Kumasi. They said they are Jones. So he posted some video of some American police AB.
Okay. So what you watch this video?
Summer just isn't as fun without a good water gun fight. So these two Greenbelt police officers didn't miss the chance to bust out their water cannons and race into a heated water battle at their local park. And even though they were completely outnumbered, they still stayed to battle it out until their water guns were completely empty.
Who wants to know? Oh yeah, in so.
Yeah. Never only be water. Yeah, some two policemen be having fun. Yeah.
You see, the video he posted. This one is a policeman with a toy gun, but this one is in the form of a water gun. As in, this one is not one I own that will put bullets into. This one is water. That one is a little bit cool because you are just like water just.
Yeah, but I wanna own it. They make sound. The sound, the
But if it touches you, asking if the gun is closer to you, then you just shoot.
you get hit.
You'll feel the pain.
You get hit.
Yeah.
Then munjai we na munkofa water pistol you be naturally. Yeah, water pistol
That
trend.
one was the first trend.
So we
The
should
water
stay
one.
on the water pistol. So of
Yeah.
that one, you go see say
No, you see,
if
the
you be
thing
rogue
is,
yourself, you go
listen,
see.
you see here, if you come to celebrate Christmas, we sell those guns. So as soon as we saw the whites doing those trends, then we as in the Kumasi boys took it to a different level. That we won't get in the water gun. That one is that one is expensive, yeah. So we should use one Christmas gun.
Yeah,
like
the
that.
pew.
Yeah, that's the pure one. Yeah. So most of us we are using the water gun. And
Okay, and
Kumasi,
those
you see
me I don't get so I go buy the water. The pew.
yeah,
Yeah,
they will use the pure. We use our water gun. Yeah. So this video was brought to you by Anti-Fire Smoke.
Yeah, so sake of the rain, I think we need to stop the video.
Yeah, we have to
I
stop
will
the
keep
video.
you updated, sake of Charlie. I'm sure something will happen. This pew will cause something, so stay tuned. Peace out.